So, student, next concept is zero product rule. What is zero product rule? You have faced this type of equation. So, in this means what? This means that possibility is there that a is equals to zero because zero into b will give you zero, or maybe b is equals to zero that a into zero will give you zero. So, these are the two possibilities. Okay. So, this is your zero product rule, which says that whenever you will face this type of equation that a cross b is equals to zero, then the a can also be zero and b can also be zero. So this is very understandable thing why I'm telling you, because in finding the root of the factorization we will face this situation. We will face this situation like this: x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. So in this situation, according to the zero product rule, I will say that maybe this part is 0 or maybe this part is 0. So here we are applying zero product rule, that is x minus 3 can be equals to 0, or maybe x plus 2 is equals to 0. And this is helping us in finding out the root of the equation, because from here we can conclude easily that x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. Take transposing method, so we can easily get our roots. So this is why, that's why this zero product rule is helping in the factorization. And always remember, whenever you are applying anything and there's a rule behind this, and if you are do, you always do like this, means if it is written a into c is equals to 0, then you will pick the correct option that maybe a can 0 and c is equals to no next thing, but you don't know from where it comes. Actually, this rule is known as zero product rule. So remember this. Now let's solve any quadratic equation by factorization method. So x square, I let me take very simple quadratic equation so that it will be easy for you to understand the solution, the root of the equation. So here I'm taking this example. X square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Now, please, students, pay more attention here how to solve by factorization method. This is your first step is that you will multiply your constant to the coefficient of x square. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? That is only 1. Okay, because 1 into x square will give you x square. That means here coefficient is what? 1. So 1 into 12 will gives you what? 12. Now you will do factorization of the 12, that is 2, 6, 12, 2, 3, 6, and 3, 1, 3. Now, what you need, you want to play with two numbers only, such that you will get your middle term. You will get your 7. So here, how I will do 3 to the 6, 6 and 2. Are 6 and 2 giving me 7? No. And means I cannot play with 6 and 2 to get 7, because 6 minus 2 will give you 4 and 6 plus 2 will give you 8. So I will not choose these numbers. So can we choose 2 is to 4 and then 3? 4 and 3 can I choose? Yes, I can choose 4 and 3. Why? Because 4 plus 3 will give you 7. Just what you have to do first, you will multiply your number to the constant, then you will get the number, then you will factorize it. Then you have to break in two numbers. Okay, you have to break your two numbers such that their addition, subtraction, whatever you want to do, you can do to get your middle term. To get your middle term, this is 7 here. So 4 plus 3 will give you 7. So I can easily use. And 4 into 3 is 12. The reason why we are choosing these two only the numbers from here only, because that there means that if we will multiply those two numbers, then the they should product, whatever the product we got, that this 12 into 1 12, we should get 12. So 4 is to 3 is giving you 12 and 4 plus 3 is giving to 7. That's why we are using this. So x square minus, in place of the 7 I can write 4 plus 3 x plus 12. Now I will open my bracket. X square minus 4x and minus 3x plus 12. Why minus? Because this minus will also go inside this bracket. It will make it this minus and it will make this also minus. Now I will do pairing. Okay, I will take first two pair and then second third term. So in first second term, you can see here I can easily take out x. So x minus 4. Now what I will take out common here in this situation, I can take out common minus 3. So when I will take out minus 3, so it will be x minus 4. Why minus 4? Because I took out minus 3. So minus 3 into x give you minus 3x, and minus 3 into minus 4 will give you plus 12. That's why. And one more thing you can understand, that whatever the it is written here, that in this bracket, that should be same. Then only you will get your solution. So here this is x my, again if I'm looking to this whole equation, again if I'm looking to this whole expression, able to see that x minus 4 is common in both the terms. So I will take out x minus 4 common. Then here what will left? Only x. And here what will left? Only minus 3 is equals to 0. Now we are facing a zero product rule. We will apply zero product rule, which says that maybe this expression is 0 or maybe this expression is 0. So x minus 4 is equals to 0 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So this implies that x is equals to 4 and this implies that x is equals to 3. That means 4 and 3 are the roots of this equation. You cannot apply here trial and error method, because till first you will put here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then you will get the answer. So it's taking too much time, so it's better that you will apply your factorization method. Please make means remember this. In factorization method, you are multiplying this to number to this, and then you're factorizing, and then you want two numbers such that you will get sum and subtraction. Whatever you want to do, you can do here. I did addition, so 4 plus 3 is giving me 7. Then I just open it, then I make a pair, first second term, then third fourth term, I take it common, then again I take it common, then I apply zero product rule. So this is how you will find out the solution of a quadratic equation.